Απλά θα βγει σε λίγο, έτσι.
Ναι, θα μου πεις τίποτα.
Ναι, no worries. Λοιπόν, πάμε λίγο να τεστάρουμε από τέτοιο. Για κάτσε λίγο. Μίλα λίγο.
Ναι, τεστ.
Κομπλέ, νομίζω είμαστε ok. Πάμε λίγο και εδώ. 8 και 30. Γιατί δεν έχει ανοίξει από εδώ.
Καμιά φορά έχει λίγο delay.
Μισό λίγο. Λοιπόν, για πάμε λίγο να δούμε. 1-2, για να δούμε λίγο τον ήχο. Μίλα λίγο.
Έλα, ακούγομαι κανονικά.
Θα δείξει τώρα. Λοιπόν, για πάμε λίγο να δούμε.
Τεστ.
1-2. Τέλεια.
Ακούγεται. Έλα.
Ωραία, τέλεια. Thanks, Νικό, ευχαριστούμε.
Έγινε.
Bye.
Έλα, καλή συνέχεια.
Καλημέρα σε όλους, παιδιά. Είμαστε εδώ γιατί έχουμε έναν δυνατό guest που δεν μπορούσε λόγω Αμερικής να μιλήσει άλλη ώρα. Έχουμε μαζί μας έναν guest ο οποίος και αν έχει βαρέσει $1 million trades, οπότε ναι, θα τον έχουμε μαζί μας για ένα σύντομο live για να μας κάνει λίγο μια ανάλυση της αγοράς ή τέλος πάντων ό,τι πιστεύει πάνω στα δεδομένα και το τι έχουμε σήμερα Δευτέρα. Ήθελα να το κάνουμε λίγο surprise, οπότε ναι, γι' αυτό είμαστε και σε αυτή τη διαδικασία. Ελπίζω όλοι να είστε καλά. Για πάμε να δούμε λίγο. Λοιπόν, πάρα πολύ σύντομα θα ξεκινήσουμε. Ωραία, τέλεια. Για να δούμε τι άλλο έχουμε εδώ. Πολύ καλή εβδομάδα, καλό μήνα σε όλους. Ελπίζω να είστε όλοι καλά, ελπίζω να περνάτε τέλεια. Χίλια συγγνώμη, αλλά προφανώς το live θα είναι στα αγγλικά, διότι ο Cryptoface δεν μιλάει ελληνικά. Οπότε θα μπούμε στη διαδικασία σίγουρα να δούμε το τι πραγματικά συμβαίνει στις αγορές και από τη δική του οπτική γωνία. Οπότε θα είμαστε πάρα πολύ σύντομα μαζί. Πρέπει να τεστάρουμε κάποια πράγματα. Νομίζω είμαστε κομπλέ. Πάμε να δούμε λίγο ανάλυση της αγοράς, να δούμε τι πραγματικά συμβαίνει, όπως το προβλέψαμε και στο βίντεο της Παρασκευής, όπου Cryptoface is with us, guys. Okay. Yo, how are you doing?
Testing 1, 2, hello.
Hello, sir.
What's going on, bro?
It's going great. Finally with us, man. 5 years
Man.
later. 5 years later.
Well, you know, I know. There's no excuses, bro. You've been supportive.
No. It's fine, brother. So yeah, because people have been a little bit unprepared, we will I'm actually very glad we have you with us today. So we are going to go a little bit further regarding to the fact of the analysis of the market. And then, of course, you know, I'm very loyal by using Market Cipher all these years. And you pretty much know the fact that many of my guys have been joining inside.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you how, first of all, who are you? What are you doing? How are you doing here today? Many people know you, many people don't. But just so you know, from my side, you will have a very loyal group of people watching you from Greece. And many other guys are actually impressed you are here with us today.
Oh yeah. I'm tweeting this out. I was like, dang, what language does he speak on this channel?
It's like Chinese, man. It's like we say, it's like we say, you know, you speak Greek to me, then that's what it is.
Man, is Greek, does Greek have its own language? Is Greek a language?
Yeah, it's actually a language, man. It's actually one of the most ancient languages in the world.
I would imagine. Is there like a lot of like Latin connections, you know?
No, Latin actually came afterwards.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. So yeah, I mean, since from the philosophers and shit. Damn. So man, I mean, you guys have been killing it over there for, you know, quite some time.
Yeah. We have been doing
I'm
that.
subscribed to the correct channel now. I'm like, dude, I never see you live. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could have hopped on like earlier, but I'm like, damn, maybe when he's live, I figured I'd message him, but it's all good, man.
We are doing lives every Tuesday, but the time we're actually doing the lives, you are maybe sleeping, most likely, because it's a little bit different
dude,
with the time.
it's the sun's out where you are right now. I'm on, dude. I've my sleep schedule is totally opposite of a normal person where I live. So you and me are probably woke up at the same time today. And so, which has kind of been biting me in the rear end a little bit, because I feel like the big action has been happening mostly when I'm asleep. You know, even like today's run, man, I was asleep, and so I kind of missed out on it. But yeah, no, I'm Cryptoface, the creator of Market Cipher, and appreciate you having me on here. We could, you know, I could pull up a couple of charts and stuff. I haven't.
Of course, we are ready for you, man. You can just go for it. And I just want to let you know, like many guys, they have been trying like to do all of this stuff, try to hustle here and there and try to find some other kind of indicators and stuff. And for many years, I'm telling them there's nothing better than the freaking money flow, the VWAPs and all of this shit. You cannot find anywhere else. It has been my top lead indicator all these years. So I'm just letting you, I'm just gonna let you, of course, you can share your screen, and of course we have a market overview by your side. Of course, I believe that things are very critical right now regarding the Bitcoin, and I also believe that we will have some kind of flip coin the next days and the next couple of months. So
are you like bullish right now? What like
no,
what do you
man,
kind of think
no, man.
is
I'm
going
not.
on?
I'm not.
No, you're bearish.
After I've seen, I have a tense like we could see a fake out move in approximately 77,000 to approximately 81, maybe max, but that's the top by my calculations and all of this stuff. But maybe this is not even gonna happen, because 74, it was a very good catch, you know. So I believe we will have a market reversal, and I believe also that we are gonna dump further, most likely to 52, 43, maybe by October. Man, also another thing that I would like you to share, if you want, of course, is the I'm just gonna let you know that you can check also the gold ETF. You know, it's crazy, man, because the similarities compared to what happened back in 2008, same period of time, breakout, and of course we have seen the gold going so much higher. The same thing happened by May 2008, and after a while we had the market crash, because of course they have been accumulating gold, and that's why the price actually pumped to the and skyrocket. So the thing is that after a while, after the market crash happened 29th of September, after a while we had the elections where Obama actually got elected. So it's like same style exactly for me, man. I believe by October we will have a market crash with a delay of like a couple of weeks since like 2008, because it happened 29th of September. I believe we're gonna have a market crash, man. There is no way why. You see, if you see that is a breakout and then a confirmation back, so I believe same thing will happen here, you know, because
So
it
here's
was
2000. I got 2008 pulled up. I should be sharing the screen right now.
yeah,
right?
you are
able
sharing,
to
you
see
are
it?
sharing the
Okay.
screen. We are watching
So-
your screen actually.
Okay, so this is March 2008.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
so then we have, and then shit, so it just, then it dropped all the way
Yeah.
November.
You know, the breakout that it was before, like by July back,
here.
you see that? This is the
Yeah.
rally that had after so long. It was a massive breakout, and then this price reversal is the confirmation of this whole like bull side, and then we had the continuation, of course, with the confirmation of the support line. And if you see like also in the maybe like 2-week or monthly chart, market cipher was actually mental, man, because it was showing exactly the move to the upside and the momentum waves. It's really great.
So what do you think similar between, so what do you think similar between gold in 2008?
Well,
And
do you see
is it the charts?
the breakout
Do
that
you
it
want to
was?
show me? Do you want to? Because
Sure,
I want to
sure,
know what
sure,
you're
sure.
talking
Let's
about.
go, let's
Why
go.
don't you go first? You
Sure,
go first.
sure. Let's go. So yeah, I'm gonna share my screen. Let's go
Yeah, I
to
can
that
see it.
one. Let's go to
And
that
if
one.
you need to translate, do you have to translate what I'm saying to your Greek folk?
No, it's fine, man. It's fine. Most of
All right.
people, they understand, man. There's no problem.
Very good. Okay.
We just keep that. I hope my English is helping you. You know, I used to live like many years in Norway, so yeah.
I can't understand a thing you're saying. You might as well be speaking Spanish. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding.
Do I look like I'm speaking
I'm
Spanish
kidding.
or something?
Maybe actually you could pull off for us for a white Spaniard. You know, you're a good looking guy. You look like you
The-
kind of like the. You
Huh?
look like Lionel Messi, bro. You look like Lionel
I know,
Messi.
no.
I'm
Many
sure you
people
see
say that.
all the time.
Many people say that. Many people say
Bro,
that.
you should be a double. You know, like the presidents of countries have body doubles. Bro, you should be a body double for Lionel Messi.
I'm
I
like
bet
the
you
clone,
think
you
pretty
know.
Damn good.
Yeah, he can use me maybe, man. He can use
Yes,
me
sir.
maybe for a clone, you know.
Sure.
So
Bro, if you go to China, bro, I'm sorry, I gotta say one thing. If you go to Asia, bro, you could wear a Messi shirt.
sure,
and
sure,
go to
it's fine.
Japan.
It's fine,
Oh
man.
my God,
That's
you'll be
actually
living
good
like a
scenario,
king.
man. That's actually a
Yeah.
good scenario.
Yes,
So yeah,
sir.
say that to the pencil next, man.
Yeah, like, man, I know Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi follows me.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
exactly. So yeah, well, we had that massive breakout by September that here, and then we have like the breakout where actually continue by, if you see here, March 23rd, 2008, that we have like the breakdown and the confirmation on this like kind of support, a resistance line that reversed to a support, and then we had the price continuation to the higher highs, and of course we saw what happened, you know. So here, if you see, like, it was all of this very nice money flow going to the upside, and then we saw how strong is the trend, you know. And what I'm saying is that back in here, because here happened the market crash. Well, the market crash actually brought the confirmation for the gold standards, and then we saw the gold going all the way up. And then we have like the Obama elections by November 2008. So I'm going back in here, and I'm saying that the scenario is actually pretty much identical, because we had like the breakout after like 5,900 days or something. And then we had like the upside move where we see by May the top like was in March before, and then if you count like 190 days is going back for the reversal, and of course like the market crash where this could be the price confirmation, and of course the upside move later on. So we see that we are here in the first like kind of like red dot, if you see on the monthly chart back in here, and we had also this red dot back in here. So I believe that the scenario is pretty much the same, you know.
To the Bitcoin monthly. Is that what you're saying? What are we on the monthly? Okay, so you're on gold right now.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
that's
okay.
on gold.
All
That's on
right,
gold.
okay. And so, damn. Okay, so you're thinking we pull back in October, huh?
Yeah, I think so, man.
Okay, all right. That's fair.
I think this shit is gonna go down together with crypto for a while.
Damn, dang, man. I mean, I guess, gosh, you know, if I pull up the chart,
Yeah,
man,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
let me
You can
do
just do
that.
that. You can just do that.
It's, you know, it's kind of hard to battle your point. Although I really don't want to, you know what I'm saying? I really want to
I
stay
don't want
bullish.
either, man. I don't want either. But it's fun.
Yeah, I mean, this is the monthly on Bitcoin. The people have been talking about the monthly for a while. You know, I mean, prices did get up pretty high here. Man, I really wish Skype didn't block my time frames. Okay, here we go. Now I can pull it up. Even if we just go to normal candles, I mean, yeah, we've pulled back since the monthly candle. Yeah, 15%. We even went as low as 20%.
Yeah.
I mean, if we go to the 2 week, the momentum has been coming down. I mean, I guess if you're kind of bullish, you're looking for this this line to kind of pull up with momentum. Like the pull up kind of would be nice for it to kind of start curving up now on the 2 week. Kind of missed it on the weekly. We have the head and shoulders right here that's been coming down. But you know, the current range that we are in, we are ranging. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
we are definitely ranging, man. But do you know what also is very, very crazy? The fact that this, of course, look like kind of bull flag or something. I don't know how people want to translate that. Maybe like in a fall, like kind of falling wedge or something. We could have like a breakout, maybe a fake out move to approximately 77,000, 81,000. But I believe this is gonna curve back by October, man.
yeah,
Maybe.
money flows deep right now. And so is momentum, which, you know, either leads to more downward or it's either going to start picking back up. So right now the 6 hour is starting to curve. I mean, so it kind of just depends on what time frame we're talking about. You know, in the immediate short term, you know, this does look bullish, but man, if you think we're going to come back up and then you know, or even
You
just
know
work
your
our way
spider
back
line
up and
there?
then get killed back down.
You
Is
know,
it a spider line here?
yeah, the spider
Well,
line
let's
there,
find
I
out.
believe there is a fucking very, very, very big resistance line.
Resistance. Sure.
Yeah, so I believe like pretty much same thing, because if you are gonna pull some kind of Fibonacci levels and stuff, it's actually pretty much the same resistance line that I see too.
Boom.
So yeah,
Here's the new spider lines, which are done off of
Jesus
the
Christ, man.
these are off of the previous dump spider lines. The original ones are from back here.
Yeah, no.
But just on the current ones, I mean, we're smack dab in between. This is kind of an important zone. When you have a bunch of spider lines in one place, you know, it's support and resistance. And so, damn, I mean, we literally squeezed, you know, right now that 63.6, 63.5 is totally right there. What does it look like
Jesus,
on the
man.
12 hour?
That's
Yeah,
crazy. That's crazy.
yeah, super crazy. And so, you know, I missed out on today's action. By the time I was kind of woken up and done with everything, it's kind of too late for me. Sunday going into Monday, at least on, you know, my side of the pond. You know, man, if I had more answers, you know, I'd give them. Maybe I just lost my wings, I lost my edge, or I tell you, the hourly for the micro trading has been on fire. Stretched out, just money flow coming up, price action came up, money flow going down, price action came down, money flow coming up, came up a little bit. You know, everything looks less on logarithm, but I mean, it's been playing out, you know what I'm saying? So I'd say the hourly on Sundays, the past 2 Sundays, the 10-minute has been totally fire for the trend. This Sunday's trend.
And also in the previous one, the turtle waves, the turtle money flows, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Like if you go back, it's like the red money flow in the previous chart you had, the previous one. I don't know. Yeah, it was that like that one. Look at that, man. It's crazy. You know, like if you see the turtle waves on the red one, is like together with the momentum waves, they were pulling out
Yeah, I mean,
the
and
green
right
one
now
too.
this is bullish, man. Like
Yeah, it
even that
is. It is.
we have greater green waves, lesser red waves right here. These two are, you know, both this one's smaller than this one's smaller than this one. And then the green ones besides this one right here, but overall, you know, overall if you just draw a line, you know, from the tops and the bottoms of the money flow, you know, they're cruising up to the upside. And so, well, how big was this pump, man? Even just from the bottom, 5%. That's hilarious. Dang, a 5% move. It seems like we've gone up 100%,
Yeah,
you
yeah, it's
know?
crazy. Yeah.
And so since we've been kind of stunned by the range bound daily, I don't know, any move is kind of what we have is really just what we have. And so we just got to celebrate the 1% and 2% gains, but you know, we're coming into Monday. Maybe I would maybe try to get a little pullback off the 4 hour or the 6 hour coming up. Um,
Are you
but
are you
also this wave
are
could
you
keep
planning
going.
to
So
are you planning for like a small trade or something, or you think that the train left now?
I'm trying to trade big right now. I'm trying to trade big. And so um, I'd like to get on and hammer out some, you know, make minimum 100,000, make 500,000, 600,000 on some trades. You know, my last couple trades I was in, I was up 50, 60 grand, but you know, just kind of let it ride and kind of let the ego, my ego kind of screw me. Which is, you know, is what it is. I'm not
It is what
afraid
it
to
is,
admit
man.
certain things.
It's trading. It's trading, man. But yeah, you know, like
Well, yeah, I would say it's trading, but also like I don't know, it's also half entertainment too. Like if I was I'm not trying to make excuses. I really don't want to talk more about it. You know what I'm saying? But I would like to crack some really big ones. And this potential is here, man, at the bottom of the range. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it looks like it's holding. Boy, if we could break out of this spider line, this
yeah,
63,
this could go
6,
massive, man.
64, then this gap right here from, you know, 69,000 down to, you know, 63, the price moves heavy in here. So this range is a range where there could be big profits made, where we could get in on something, ride it out, you know, up or down. You know, right now, and hopefully ride this up into the 70s, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind
Yeah.
of
Well,
probably my
if you
move
like
I'm
if
looking
you
for.
like will kind of extend that, it's reaching actually the prices I told you, like 77,000,
That's
eighty one
right.
thousand. You know,
Yeah, I
like
should combine both spider lines. I have an OG spider line chart. I should set it up to where I got the
man, I
OGs in
think
the
that those are
in
the
the new
spider
ones.
lines you had back like to 4 years ago or something. I don't know.
Yeah, the ones I got on the Coinbase chart.
Since I
These are the
remember
old
you,
ones.
or something.
That's right. They've
The
been working ever since, man. When you zoom in, they've been working ever since for sure, man.
they are working. Yeah, man, it's
So how
crazy.
often do you stream on this channel, bro? I mean,
Well,
are
we
you streaming
actually do
actively? Are
it.
you signaling grouping? You got a signal group, Lionel Messi signal group? God, you look just like
No, we don't do that, man. But yeah, we actually stream together on like TikTok and of course here on YouTube. And yeah, we are actually pulling like approximately 3,000 people watching per time, 5,000 people watching per time. But now it's a little bit early for Greece. But it was a very nice time because it fitted both me and you. So yeah, it's actually looking great because I'm spending a lot of time on the screens, man. A lot of time. The last like I don't know, like 15 years or something. Yeah, I'm spending a
bro,
lot
we
of
got to
time.
raise some money to send you to Japan or Singapore with and you're gonna have like three Lionel Messi jerseys that you wear one
Sure,
every
sure, sure.
day.
I'm gonna
And
sign them,
bro,
man. I'm gonna sign them.
yeah, sign them, dude. People will go mad. They'll go mad over you,
Yeah, yeah,
bro.
yeah. So
So,
where are you? Are you still like driving your
man, I
bike?
ain't telling you where I am, but that's okay.
No, it's
But
fine, man. It's fine, man.
as far as the charts go, man, you know, fuck, I don't know. I'm just trying to catch these moves like everybody else.
But what is
But
going on with the meme coins? Are you playing with meme coins or something?
Yeah, let's take a look. Let me reshare my screen, man. Let me reshare my screen.
I would like to see that, man.
Yeah. Let's see here, man. Right now, I'm not really in anything, but I know Pepe was a good buy at zoom in here.
Are you leverage trading that?
No. Although I wish I was, though. I wish I was. So I see other people leverage trading and they're making a shit ton. What is this? The 12-hour?
Yeah,
Nice little
that's
trigger wave here on the 12-hour. Money flow might be pulling up. Let's go to the 6-hour. The 6-hour, she might have some life here. If Bitcoin goes up, so does Pepe. I might have to buy back in some Pepe, like maybe tonight.
man. This thing was a falling wedge that actually broke out, and it just confirmed.
Yeah,
I
this
just see
is
that.
some nice curvature right
Yeah,
here
like
on Pepe.
the
So
breakout was already there.
yeah, I think I'm bullish on the Bitcoin 4-hour, 6-hour. But honestly, again, this is also the weekend. At least for the
Remember that is also the fact that the 4th of July we have the Ethereum approval ETF, like officially finally or something.
that dumps every time. The ETFs dump every
I
time.
know,
So I wouldn't even say that's bullish. You know what I'm saying? I feel like how many ETFs and how many big things got to happen to convince, you know what I'm saying? Sure, it's bullish for the future. I'm sure for the future. But boy, the day it comes out, that shit doesn't pump at all. It dumps.
But how do you
FET,
see the situation in US regarding the Trump election and all of this stuff? So how do you feel about that?
boy, that's a good question. You know, actually, the day that Trump lost, let me actually pull up the what was it? 2020. I'm pretty sure 2020 was a huge short. So let's go 2020,
Yeah, whole like
23,
bunch of shorts.
November. Okay. I'm almost there. This is 20 June. Okay, December 20th,
Yeah, it's up there.
November. So, okay, November 20th. Damn, did it pump?
Yeah,
In November 20 or was it 2019? When did the election? The
it
election's
was
every 4 years.
2020, man. But do you know what
2020.
happened? The whole price thing, it like started boosting when Trump was there, and then of course it follow up, man. Is the economy doesn't change because the president had just changed in the same time. I
Man,
believe
I don't
that
remember. I don't remember if
the
I
whole
went
thing
long or went
started.
short.
The whole thing started after Biden started doing this kind of whatever things, and
Fucking
I
everything up, yes.
yeah, and after he got elected, actually they start dumping massively, man. That's why we had like this 69K, 64K first time, 69K, and then we had like the massive drop and all of this. So
Yeah,
and
if
then we had
Trump gets elected, I would say that's bullish. Bearish for oil. I would say it's bearish for commodities, bullish for Bitcoin. Although maybe, I don't know, is crypto a commodity? You know what I'm saying? It may be. Fuck. Trump winning actually could technically. You can take it both ways. You know, it's like a stronger America is weaker for Bitcoin. You know, a shittier America is better for Bitcoin. You can kind of flip it any way you want, but I don't know. I guess it depends on uh if Bitcoin's a commodity, man. You know, oil skyrocketed since November 2020, since 2020. Um, let's see here, 2023. Just gonna pull
but
this up
do you
there.
think Trump will win, or he's gonna leave everything to the mummy?
Man, I can't predict that, man. You know, I believe he won last time, but they pulled some shiesty shit, and we paid for it. You know what I'm saying? And so
Pay for it.
if we can beat him good enough to stop the cheat, um, then we'll see. You know, the prices of oil have done the prices of everything, beef, since 2020 have done nothing but go up. Oil went negative during Trump's turn. This shit went to $44.12 and minus $40 a barrel. And then when Biden came in, it's gone up now 375%. you know, if we take off the log.
Yeah. This is actually the crash that we had back with Corona or something.
Yeah, same with sugar. If you pull up sugar, that's another commodity that's gone up.
Are you
a
trading the
bunch.
commodities? I know you are trading oil, right?
Lightly, yeah, lightly. It comes and goes. I think probably my next big commodities move will be decided during and after election night, most likely. But yeah, I mean, I hit a couple oil trades
You know,
over
actually,
the past month.
I made a lot with oil in the last, like, oh my God, man. I start trading like $12 per barrel or something
Yeah.
back in 2020. And after a month, man, I had like a leverage, 10 leverage I had. And I made like within 1.5 months or something, I made like 100K or something,
Yeah.
98. And it
What are
was
your live streams? When you go live, what do you normally show? Like now that I have the
we
channel you use now, what do you normally do on your lives?
well we are doing like analysis on the market, and then we are actually speaking mostly about crypto and stuff. How is the crypto space and all of this?
All
So
right.
actually, right now is it's going really great. In Greece is like, I believe, one of the biggest channels right now that is collecting so many people and stuff. So it's going good. It's going good.
Okay.
So yeah, we just do it for fun, man. And
Right on.
we have like many guys actually attending. We have a very nice conversation. Well, there are some actually big guys that they're attending, and it goes very well, very well. So
Yeah, man, you've been kicking butt. You've been kicking butt.
it's
Um,
going very good.
my girl's hitting me up. And so I don't know if I have much more time,
No
but
worries, man.
we need to do this again, like when we're more prepared. I know you've been. It's my fault. You know what I'm saying?
No worries, man. No worries, man. You can just let me know anytime, man.
For sure. But
Uh,
in that being said, I know you represent Market Cipher, and I don't know if you've told your people, but there's a 25% off promotion right now. I don't know if you can see this on
that's
my
a big deal,
screen.
and it's gonna be everything in the pinned comment section below. After,
And use your link. They need to use your link, put in the
of
code and
course,
get
man, of
25%
course.
off. We're fighting Jake Paul, our guys Mike Perry. And man, to be honest, I just want to thank you for being you know, a
Thank
supporter
you so
and a
much, man.
member.
Thank you
And bro,
so
you've been
much.
kicking ass for your people for a long time. You know, I should have been on your streams a long time ago. So my bad.
Thanks for everything, bro. Have a great time. Are you going to sleep right now? So, well, if you are gonna do that, then I wish you a very nice rest time.
No, I'm not going to sleep, but I do. I
Jesus
gotta.
Christ, man.
Me and my girl watch a ghost show, and now's the ghost show. So we watch this ghost show like every other week.
Okay,
Ghost
that's cool. That's
Adventures,
cool.
man. You ever watch Ghost Adventures, bro?
I haven't see that.
Man, you gotta look that shit up. These guys have.
Just
It's the
sit.
only. It's the only ghost show that is good, and they got famous a long time ago from like doing this shitty documentary, and like a news agency picked it up, and like they caught a full body apparition on film,
Oh,
and they've been going for
I've
a
seen
long time.
some of that. I think. Is it on Netflix or something?
They're all over the place, man. I don't know. It's just they're on like season 27, so the show's been around for like, you know, damn near 20 years or some shit. But so yeah, me and my girl, man, we're gonna go watch
Yeah.
some
Cool,
Ghost Adventures.
cool, bro. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your time, and of course, thank you so much, guys, also for being here, everyone. I wish you have a very nice week. Have a nice month as well.
Sir,
Thanks so much, Cryptoface, for being here.
thank you.
And of course, thank you all guys again for being loyal.
One
Yeah,
more
of
thing
course.
that my brother picked up on. The beginning of the month, he's just been trading like the first of the month, and he's been killing it for him. So I think that the strategy might be trade big and hard, get it while in the early of the month, fade it the rest of the month. Fuck them. Just trade the first part of the month. Fuck them for the rest of the month. And
But
so I think I might start doing that.
do you think that this is because of the consolidation that Bitcoin had all this period of time?
I don't know. You know, it has been consolidating, but it naturally, I mean, not every month, but naturally, early month is bullish, later month is bearish. That's just how it goes most of the time. And most people, it's easier to trade to long trade, especially in crypto, because I mean, especially in any stock, whatever. Shorts most of the time are like boom, and they happen so quick, and you got to be quick about it. But longs it's generally about happier, easier market to trade. So we might have to start ham hawking on the first of the month, and then after a week running
That's cool,
away.
man.
For
We are gonna check for that. We are gonna check for that. But
sir.
for all of you that you don't know, guys, Cryptoface has been one of the actually the only one biggest YouTuber that has been trading so hard, man, so hard. It has been trading like multi-million-dollar trades. You can go directly to his channel and of course check out. Man, I still remember those like $14 million trades. It was crazy, man, crazy.
Yeah, man, I was a wild boy back then, and so I've you know, my life has changed a little bit. You know, sometimes I miss those days. Sometimes I miss the old days, but you never know. You know, one day I might be back trading 10, 20 mil again. You never know. Couple big licks, and you know, then I can, you know,
It's
I don't
crazy.
know.
It's crazy.
We'll see.
Have a good time, brother. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, press the bell button for all the notifications. Very soon you are going also to have the links in the pinned comment section down below for Cryptoface. Have a good time, brother.
You too, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
soon.
much. Take care,
All right.
bro. Take care.
All right, peace, man.
Bye, bye, bye. Ευχαριστούμε πάρα πολύ που βλέπατε, παιδιά. Να είστε όλοι καλά, να έχετε μια όμορφη εβδομάδα και εννοείται like, subscribe, το καμπανάκι για όλες τις ειδοποιήσεις